sober, Stony aka Twisted Minds, and I'm gonna show you how to be a motherfucking rapper.
Are you tired of getting picked on?
Yeah.
Are you tired of people just talking shit?
Hell yeah.
Well, learn to be a rapper. Volume 1. Take this, motherfucker.
What the Oh! You broke it!
Shit broken.
Fucking broke it!
Rap. First you need your lyrics and your flow. Can you handle it?
Mr. Rogers
Is sexy.
chicken,
Is tasty.
ravioli,
Is my only lover.
McDonald's,
Is so yummy.
Big Mac, Big Mac.
Oh,
Big
oh,
Mac.
oh, put it in my belly.
Hey guys, okay, what I wanted to do was like, Stop it! I'm trying.
I got my cup. I'm going to get crunk. Let's do this business.
So I can get drunk.
So I can get drunk. I love Britney Spears because I think she's sexy. Even though she was bald and had a baby. I would still love to do it because I have dreams. You know what I'm talking about? Hell yeah, them dreams.
You can't imitate a mother pro rapper.
What dude? Everybody, I'm gonna show you what I'm in the head. Couldn't be a damn rapper, and I was the guy.
Yeah, little kids are jumping him.
That's what happens when you can't be a rapper.
To the fucking dog.
The dog's getting them. There.
Yo, what's up? It's Stony aka Twisted Minds, and I'm gonna show you how to be a rapper.
Swear.
Stop me. What the
How to become a singer? How to be a rapper?
How to be a rapper right here. 2010 motherfucker.